This isn't just fried plantain, it's plantain transformed. It is coated with a lot of goodness. Every bite sends a message to your taste bud. It's deeply crunchy on the outside and soft in the inside. Today on Ijeoma Living, I'm making crispy plantain nuggets, inspired by a classic fried chicken technique, but built differently around plantain. To talk more about today's recipe, this plantain will be first fried, then pressed to concentrate its texture. It will be coated in a seasoned flour and batter. This is dipped to create layering, after which it will be deep fried until it's golden brown. This results in a crunchy, textured or structure that is deeply satisfying to bite into and sends your taste bud tingling. That is all, or the summary of today's plantain nuggets. Enjoy this video. For this process, I used a parchment paper, but you can use a brown paper if you don't have a parchment paper, or baking sheets. They all have things in common. They are non-sticky. They don't allow things to stick on them. So for the coating process, I coated with the batter twice and with the flour twice. You can coat more than that, or you can coat less than I did. You decide on the level of crunchiness you want your plantain to have, and that is it. plantain nuggets, what happens to the leftover flour and butter? This is what you will do. Mix them together. If you want, you can add sugar or milk to it. But for me, I just added water and a little bit of sugar. That is how I created these sophisticated buns. You see these buns? Honestly, the first day I made these plantain nuggets, my leftover, I made something like pancake with it. But I think this buns is the best solution for any leftover. I hope you enjoy it. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Love yourself. Be kind to yourself. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.